Wix Modalyst Dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Modelist and its pros and cons and how you can use it on Wix. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So this is the website right here, modelist.co, and as you can see over here we have our main product in front of us. Now if you're wondering what is a Modelist, well basically it's a dropshipping application used on different websites such as AliExpress, Wix, Shopify, and many more. It's very user friendly and it's very easy to use. And if we scroll down below, we can see that it provides over 10 million products added to virtually storefronts, and 350,000 e-commerce stores are served, and over 50 million online shoppers reached from Modelist. And if we look down below, we have the top dropshipping softwares. So Bloomberg Business Week has rated it as a top dropshipping software. Fast Company, Forbes, MSNBC, LE, Vogue, all these big companies, all these big names have chosen Modelist as their top dropshipping software. And over here, if we look down below, we can see that we can integrate Modelist with Shopify, Wix, and BigCommerce. And it's pretty easy to use as well, as I said that before. So over here, we can see that it works in like 5 steps. So we start for free on Modelist in just one click, and then we connect our store or Shopify store or Wix store or any other store, and then we curate the best products from dropshipping and import the product list into our account, and then we customize the products to fit our demand and style, and then we sell those products on the market or to our merchants at full retail price with complete inventory control. It's really easy. And then we can also add Modelist as a Chrome extension as well. So let's just scroll up over here and just simply click on Wix and see if we can learn anything more. So over here, we can see we can get the Modelist app over here with Wix. So let's just go ahead and start and sign up. So over here, just simply click on start for free at the top right corner. And once we do that, as you can see, we have two options in front of us. So we are either the retailer or the supplier. So depending upon which option we choose, we're going to be ending up with different sides of the field. So we're basically the retailer, right? We are not the supplier. We are the ones who's going to use Modelist to find the suppliers. And then when we have the supply, we're going to be selling them onto our store. So we're the retailer, okay? And then down below, just simply fill out this field with your name, your email address, your business name, your location, and choose whichever e-commerce store that you have, and then just simply click on sign up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this form out, and now as you can see over here, I have signed up and it's ready to go. So it's pretty simple. Now we just have to finish up our store. So over here, as you can see, we have a couple of steps that we need to follow. We need to connect our store. We need to adjust the pricing. We need to connect to Alibaba, which is their #1 dropshipping partner, because that is the only place that they source all of their material from. And then we need to connect to AliExpress, and then we need to add products to our import list and sync our products to our store. Pretty easy. I mean, it looks complicated, but it's pretty easy. So I'm going to show you right now. So go ahead and open up your Wix store. So as you can see over here, I've opened up Wix in my other window and come back over here. As you can see over here, we need to connect our store, right? So we just simply click on this button over here, and over here, we need to install Modelist into our Wix website. So we have to add and remove item from Wix stores with just one click, and we automatically communicate orders directly from Wix to brands on Modelist. Like, it's pretty simple. So if we click on install Wix, it'll basically tell us to sign in, but I've already signed in into another window. So I'm just simply gonna go over here and simply click on apps. And over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply search for Modelist. So over here on the left side, just simply come over here and click on app market. And in the app market, you're gonna find your tool. So just simply search for Modelist. As you can see over here, we have it right here. Just simply click on it, and then just simply click on add to site and click on add to site. Now we just need to sign in into Modelist. As you can see, it's connected. Now all we need to do is just use it. So as you can see over here, it's connected to our store and we have installed it right here. So now how do we find some products? So to find the products, what we need to do is come over here into find products over here at the left side right here. And as you can see, we have quite a lot of different products. So we can add products from Alibaba or we can add products from AliExpress. So let's go ahead and choose Alibaba right now. Connect it to Alibaba. So for this, we need to have our account for Alibaba, but I don't think we need to do that right now because we already created an account and it's gonna get hectic. So we're just gonna continue on over here, find products, and then just simply, choose the products that we are seeing. So all these products that you're seeing, they're all from AliExpress right now, and we have different locations and stuff like that. So let's just assume that this is the product that you're selling, which is a magnetic Qi wireless power bank. And what we need to do is just simply hover our mouse over it and then just simply click on add to import list. And once we've done that, as you can see over here on the left side, we have a couple of different options. We have import list over here. We just simply click on import list, and over here, as you can see, we have our products right in front of us. So now what we need to do is we need to select these products, and over here what we need to do is we need to add the selected products to Wix. So simply click on this option right here, and over here, as you can see, Wix limits the product title to 80 characters and 800 descriptions. So we need to change a couple of details. So let's go ahead and click on edit. And over here, what we need to do is we need to take this out, and we can keep like magnetic Qi wireless portable battery power bank. We'll even take out the battery part. I think this is much more, elegant. And now we can go ahead and save it. So as you can see, it's saved. Now what we need to do is we need to add it to Wix. And now it's not over here because it's now moved to Wix. Now what we need to do is come over here and go back to manage applications, and over here go back to home, and over here we need to come over here on store products and come over here on product. And as you can see over here, this is the product that just imported, and as you can see, it's done. So now what we can do is we can either edit the products over here as well. I think actually no, we can just go ahead and remove the products from here as well. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to use. Like, it's really easy. Modelist is really fun to use. The pros and cons, I would say, are this. Pro is this, that it's very easy, user friendly, and it doesn't have any sort of limitations. But the con, I would say, is that not a lot of products available on the store, because right now they're trying to implement Alibaba, which is pretty cool, which is going to eliminate their con right here. But for now, it's just AliExpress, and it can be really hectic because not a lot of products are available on AliExpress, even though they are, but some aren't. So if they, make a deal with Alibaba and get them to sign up with them, and I think they can, then we'll have more products to sell and have more cheaper products as well. We won't have to worry about the price as well. So, yeah. Definitely do check out the Modelist if you are entering the dropshipping game, and if you're trying to sell on Shopify or Wix or any other store, because it's really fun, it's really easy to use, and it's free as well. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.